Hello and welcome to the Social Register's Members Training Session. This is a training video on using our Members Only section. This training video was designed exclusively for our members to ensure they are able to utilize all the functionalities of our Members Only section. It will be available online as a resource to learn and review how to navigate through the Members Only section anytime you need to. With the help of Aardvark video, we have created a short instruction design so you can easily learn how to take full advantage of the capabilities of your membership and of the Members Only section of our website. The first thing I would like you to do is to open another window in your browser and go to the Social Register website, which is www.socialregister.com, so that you can work with me as I go through this video. I will give you some time to get there, so feel free to pause this video until you are at our website. In this video, we will be going through viewing and updating your profile, accessing the member directory with direction on how to contact members, how to view our upcoming events and how to RSVP for them, and how to make payments for renewals. We will also go through the Members Resources area, which includes submitting your bios for the directory, submitting educational and informative articles, taking advantage of advertising opportunities, posting your events to our community calendar, and becoming a keynote speaker for our business workshop. Okay, now let's get started. To access our Members Only section, please locate the member login at the very top right-hand corner below our phone number. Please go ahead and click on Member Login, and it'll bring you to our Members Login page. Please log in with your username and password. I'll wait for you to do that. If you would like to request a new username or password or reset your password, please call our office at 702-256-0123. Okay, now you are logged in. Located on the right side of your screen is our membership links, and this is our navigation toolbar. Membership links is what you will use to navigate through the Members Only section. So let's begin with Member Profile. Go ahead and click on Member Profile. In the Member Profile area is where you can update all of your information as needed. It is really important to make sure your information is always up to date. This will ensure our members are able to contact you. In this area, you can also upload your photo. We highly suggest you upload a photo because it's always nice to put a name to a face when talking over the phone or planning to meet an individual at one of our events or a meeting. Let's go through some editing steps for both your individual and business information. To make any changes, you must click on View Profile, Edit Profile, located here. It will now bring you to the editing stage. There are three different areas in the editing page. First, there is basic info. Second, there is contact info. And third, there's directory listing, which you do not have to worry about because we take care of this through the back office. Okay, so it currently brings us to the first page of basic info. If you scroll down a little bit, the first section you'll see how I log in. And in this area, you can change your password if you need to. And if you scroll down is your basic information, including your name, your last name, your employer information, and also your title. If you scroll down furthermore is the categories you're listed in, and we take care of this in the back office as well, so you don't have to worry about this area. Now, if you would like any changes to your categories listed here, you may call our office and we can make those changes for you. Once you're done with all of your edits on this page, you must scroll down to Save or Save and Next. This will ensure that all of your information that you updated is saved and sent to our office for approvals. Once they are approved, you'll see your updates within a few hours. So let's go ahead and select Save and Next since we want to move on to the next tab, which is Contact Info. And now it brought us automatically to contact info. This is the page where you'll update all of your contact information, including your email, your website, and your phone numbers. Also, you can add your social media links here and also change your address if you need to, or you can add an address if you do not have one in there. I do want to also mention your mobile number is not listed in the directory. It's only for our office use only. Okay, so we can go ahead and hit save because we don't have to move on to the next page, which is directory listing. We take care of that in our back office. So go ahead and hit save. Now we are all done with the membership profile part of the website. Congratulations on learning this area. Next, we'll move on to the next navigation link. Locate the membership links on the right-hand side of your screen and select the next option, which is Member Directory. In the member directory, you are able to look up all of our members. The member directory is a great tool for you to introduce yourself, look up members, contact members, and build relationships. To look up members, you may do a search by category here, or simply typing in their name in the search box. You can also view our new members here and any special offers that are being offered at this time. As an example, let's pull up our test profile, John Smith. Simply type in his name, John Smith, and hit search. Now it'll pull up all of the John Smiths that we have in our directory, which is 3, but the one we are looking for today is the test one, and it'll pull him up in both of his categories. So he's under business services and also writers. So it'll pull up both of his profiles. Under the preview of his profile, you'll see John Smith's photo, his phone number, a fax number if he has one, and you can also click View Full Listing to view his entire profile. Okay, so here is his entire profile. You'll see his photo here, any of his social media. If you would like to tweet him or like him on Facebook, you can view his address here, his phone number, and his website address, and you can simply click on the link and it'll open up the website for you. These are his bios, a bio about himself, and then a bio about his business. And if you would like to send him a message, you would just go ahead and hit send a message here. It'll pop up with a box. The first name and last name is your information, so I would type in my first name, my last name, and my email. Due to privacy reasons, we do not provide emails, so we do leave it up to you if you want to contact a member for you to provide that information to them. Then you would type in your subject and then also your message, and then don't forget to select I understand, and then send a message, and the message will be sent to John Smith. He'll receive it via email, and then if he would like to reply, he has your email and he can reply to your email. And that is how you send a message to all of our fellow members. So let's go ahead and close this. And now I want to show you how to create a list of members or send a group message to a couple of members. So let's scroll up and click on member directory so it'll refresh the page. So for example, let's say I would like to create a list or introduce myself to a few accountants in our directory, or maybe I'm looking for an accountant. Let's go ahead and select by category so it'll list all of our categories in alphabetical order for you. And then it also lists the number of individuals in each category. So for accounting, we'll go ahead and click accounting, bookkeeping, and tax preparation. And it'll list all of the members here in accounting. And if you would like, you can set it up in alphabetical order by selecting A to Z or Z to A. So I'm going to go ahead and do A to Z. And now they're all in alphabetical order. In order for you to create a list or contact a group of members at one time, you must add the individuals to your contact list one by one. The contact list does have a max of 30 individuals at a time. So I'm going to select 5 individuals for this example. If you see send a message, that means that they do have their email on file and you can send them a message. If they do not have the send a message icon in their profile, it means you cannot contact them via email. You can only call them. So let's go ahead and add Karen, Jim, Thomas, and Doug. If you scroll up to the top, your contact list is located right above the search box on the right-hand corner. And now you'll see view my contact list now has a 4 because I've added 4 individuals. And let me just add one more, Carla. And now there's 5. So to view your contact list, you go ahead and click view my contact list. And now you'll see all the 5 individuals in your contact list. Alright, so you have 4 options here located at the top of the contact list. You have email all, email list to me, print list, and remove all. Email all, this is the option you're going to select if you would like to send out a message to all the individuals in your contact list. So it's a group email. You would type in your first name, your last name, and your email that you're providing to them, your subject, your message, and also be sure to check mark the box and hit send a message. Then your message will be sent to them within about 15 minutes and they'll receive it in their email. So let's go ahead and close this so I can show you the next option, which is email list to me. So this is a great way if you would rather contact them via phone or you just want to keep track of the people you're sending messages to. You could simply click on email my contact list. Once that box pops up, you'll type in your information there and it will send you the list within about 15 minutes. Go ahead and close that. And the next option is print a list. So you can also print the list if you would rather have it on paper. And then the final option is remove all. I do want to let you know that the contact list does not save everyone in your contact list. Once you close out the browser and log out, it does remove everyone out of your contact list. Or you can do it here by selecting remove all if you want to start up with a new group. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that. The final thing I want to show you is special offers. So let's scroll down to the very bottom of the page and it's located right next to new members. So go ahead and click on special offers. So special offers page is any of the members who are offering a special offer at this time. It'll list them by category and then you could click into the categories and then see what kind of special offer they're offering. You may also post a special offer here in the directory. It'll be listed in your profile just like it is here. You would just send the description of the special offer, the valid dates to and from, and who to contact for the special offer to our email at srlv@socialregister.com. Okay, let's move on to the next navigation link, which is Event Calendar. The event calendar includes all of the social register events. This is where you can view all of our events and also RSVP for any of the events listed. Most of our events are posted here for the entire year. You may use the arrows located above the calendar to move on to the next month or the previous month, or you can simply scroll down for a list of our upcoming events. If you would like to RSVP, simply select an event by clicking on the event. Now the event page will completely open up and it'll show you the complete details of the event, including the date, the time, the details of the event. And if you scroll down, you'll go to registration, which is the RSVP area. You'll put 1 for member. And if you have any guest, then you'll put that quantity here, and then you'll enter all of their information. Once that's completed, you'll select proceed. And if a payment is required, this is where it'll ask you for all of that information. So scroll down, verify all of your information is correct, and then select checkout if everything's correct. And you're all set. It'll show that you made the purchase, and you could print receipt here, and it'll also email you a receipt and also our office. If you do not receive an email within about 20 minutes, please give our office a call to ensure that your RSVP did go through. If you receive an error page or anything other than this page, please contact our office. So now you're registered, and that completes the registration portion of our website. Okay, for some reason, the event calendar area, once you RSVP for an event, it kicks you out of the members only section. So I'll have you go back to member login at the top right hand corner, and it'll bring you back to the members only section. Now the next navigation link is make a payment. Once your renewals are up, which is normally yearly, you'll receive an invoice from our office. You can either make the payment here, you can view the invoice here as well, and then you can make the payment here, or you can call our office and make the payment over the phone. And the next navigation link in membership links is membership resources. So once the page opens up for you, you'll see that you may also access your profile here, the directory, and also our event calendar here. In addition, membership resources is where you can submit your bio, articles, flyers, and so much more. I'm going to go through each one in detail. Okay, so let's begin with submit your professional bios. This is where you can upload your bios. It is very beneficial for you to submit your bios because this gives a member a feel of exactly who you are and what you do and what your business is all about when they read your profile in the directory. Now, as you can see, it provides you with all the detailed instructions on what is required, and if you scroll below, you can upload your bios via PDF or Word document. Once you have either bio uploaded, you can go ahead and click Submit. Now you have submitted your professional bios for the directory. Please give our office about 24 hours to update your profile. Now let's go back to Membership Resources to view the next option. Go ahead and select back on your browser, and this will bring you to the previous page, which was Membership Resources. Now the next navigation is Submit an educational and informative article. Go ahead and click on that. And once you have that page open, you'll see it also lays out detailed instructions on submitting an article. We're always accepting articles for our Society magazine and our new blog. Along with your article, we feature your professional headshot and contact information, which is great exposure for you and your business. Submitting an article is another great tool to showcase your expertise in your business category. You may write anything that's educational and informative for our members. Please ensure your article is 350 words max, and please include your contact information and your headshot photo. Once you have all of that filled out here and uploaded, you'll just hit submit, and then our office will receive that and will review your article. Okay, so we need to go back to the membership resources area and go ahead and hit back on your browser, and it'll bring you back to the membership resources. Okay, the next navigation is cost-effective advertising flyers. Go ahead and click on that. And once you have that page open, you'll see it also lays out detailed instructions on submitting an advertising flyer. This is another great advertising tool that is very beneficial for our members. Your flyer is sent out to over 44,000 top executives and business owners on our list, and you may send out a half-page flyer for $125 for the first flyer and $25 thereafter if you want to send it out multiple times, or you can do a full-page flyer for $275 for the first flyer and $75 thereafter if you would like to send that multiple times. And if you would like to take advantage of an advertising flyer, you would just enter your information here, attach your flyer, and it'll submit it to our office, and we'll contact you as soon as possible to discuss any available dates that we have on the calendar. And that completes our advertising flyers. So I'll have you go back to membership resources by going into your browser and hitting back. And now it brings you back to membership resources, and the next option is keynote speaker opportunities. We are always looking for keynote speakers for our business workshops. Our business workshops are educational and informative for our members, so this is a perfect opportunity for you to showcase your expertise in your particular field. If you're interested in becoming a keynote speaker, just fill out this form here and include your categories of expertise, and Claire and I will review your information and will contact you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go back to membership resources again to go over the final link. And the final link is advertising in our Society magazine. Our Society magazine is category exclusive, so that means we only feature one attorney, one doctor, one chiropractor, etc. The magazine is emailed to 44,000 high-level executives on a weekly basis, and 500 copies are printed out and handed out at all of our events. If you're interested in advertising in the magazine, just fill out your information here and we'll contact you as soon as possible. All right, congratulations! You have completed our members-only training video. You have learned how to update your information, upload a photo, contact members, send out a group email to members, view our upcoming events, and RSVP to them as well. You have also learned how to make payments online for your yearly renewals and how to utilize our members resources area. We hope this video was very helpful and informative in navigating through the members only section. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our office at 702-256-0123. We would like to thank our esteemed member and corporate sponsor, Richard DiPazzo, for his excellent guidance in creating this educational video for our members. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at our upcoming events.